Okay, so hi. All right, so I'm going to attempt to use one of the more popular features on Android for accessibility called Talkback. Talkback will, as I navigate through the app, uh, accentuate and speak to all the actions and the positions I am on any point on the screen, at any point in the app or outside of the app or on the device. It's meant for vision impaired people who use primarily their sense of hearing to attempt to navigate and use mobile applications. So the talkback icon is on the right. It's in this little accessibility menu that I had preset up. It's this little chat box thing here, so I'm going to enable it and we'll see if we can use it to navigate. It is a little challenging to navigate at first with because you're getting used to the spoken context, but yeah, let's try to use my accessibility app for this.
Talkback on.
Okay.
Moto app launcher. Home. Actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
Okay, notice it's a little verbose, and that's how it's designed to be because the hearing is pretty much the only thing you're going to use to really navigate if you're using this as a person with a hearing, with a vision impairment. So I'm going to start to try to navigate. I'm going to start at the upper left and demonstrate how to do that.
Slides. Video maker. Business. WhatsApp. Doc. Face 28. Full. Git. F. Canva. Compose accessibility. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
Okay, so yeah, and I could define other navigation uh, parameters and other navigation shortcuts, but the left and right were what I currently use for navigation, so I could define up and down as well. So that's based on customizing. So I'm going to actually activate the app.
Compose accessibility. Enter name. Edit box.
Okay.
Double tap to edit text. Double tap and hold to long press.
So notice that all the actual elements in this app are defined and they have actions associated with them with TalkBack. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to navigate to the clickable elements and let's see what happens.
Save name. Button. Total click value. 0.
Okay, so far makes sense. And let's navigate down to the list.
Ran at full force. In list.
Okay, and I'm going to click on the even button.
Even button 0. Button.
Okay.
Double tap to activate.
So now let's see what happens when I click on the smiley face.
Unlabeled. Button. Double tap to activate. Labels available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
Okay, so now this is where there's a failure for accessibility design because even though the even button has text associated with it that TalkBack will read out, the smiley face, which is a clickable element, doesn't have any label. It's just an image, and therefore a user interacting with this app who's hearing impaired won't know exactly what to do necessarily there, and they might lose their sense of position. So what we can do, we can set a content description. I'm going to rebuild this app with the content description added.
Moto app launcher. Compose accessibility. Out of list. Home screen 2 of 3. Compose accessibility. Enter name. Edit box.
Okay.
Double tap to edit. Save name. Button. Name. Total click. Ran at full force. In list. Mood icon 0. Button. Double tap to activate.
So now you see that the mood icons.
Mood icon 1. Mood icon 2. Mood icon 3. Mood icon 4. Button. Double tap to activate.
Yeah, the mood icons now have a content description associated with them. So that's a part of just accessible design. And all of the elements that you want the user to interact with and that are interactable will need to have those content descriptions. And in like Jetpack Compose, they're called semantic descriptors as well. So yeah, we're going to see more things like that, but you can also design accessibility tests to fail or to succeed based on whether content descriptions are defined or not. So that's it for this.